In today's world, effective presentation to clients, colleagues, and students can trigger their level of curiosity and engagement. But using conventional technology like projectors could waste your precious time during setup. These crucial moments looking for cables, installing drivers, and calibrating the whiteboard image before your presentation causes frustration. But what if there was a better way? A solution that would give you and your audience a superior experience and make your presentations impressive and memorable? Well, now there is! Introducing TS Interactive Solutions, your trusted provider of interactive LED touchscreens, mobile stands, vendor kiosks, and workspaces. Here's why you should choose us. You'll get professional help choosing the right touchscreen for your boardrooms, training rooms, and classrooms. We'll deliver your solution. They can be wall-mounted or on our tilt-to-table mobiles. And also you get free annotation software for business or education. As a result, we'll transform your meetings into productive and engaging experiences. Sounds interesting? Then contact us today to transform your interactive experience at info@tsinteractive.ca.